Now that we are on the course, it did start to rain a bit. However, it seems like there is some opening in the clouds, and that's what was pouring. So it feels like it'll be fine. We're on the Masters course. This is the second time I'm playing this course. As I was saying earlier in the video, or if I do not put it, then what my aim is to not make any doubles, and for every bogey make a birdie. So in logic, I would be playing level par. Starting hole, that's a par 5. There's not much trouble around it, but it's no warm-up is going to be an issue. And as we always have seen in my previous videos, maybe, that I don't know where the first shot goes, so I'm basically aiming for the center fairway, hoping that I finish my swing and I'm able to launch this center fairway. There is helping wind. The hole is 515 yards. Red flag. Let's do this. Wish me luck. Fairway. Not going to put anything on this, just an easy swing. That's okay. That's in play. Although it hasn't gone a long way, I think I couldn't have done better. As we all know, any golf without warm-up is just a gamble where the ball will go. And this one went fairly straight. So hoping for the best for the round. Here we go. So on the GPS on the golf cart, it shows 240 front edge, 260 back. Fairly decent center fairway shot for me. I see the flag is 232 yards. Little hesitant on hitting a hybrid, but I'm not warmed up enough to back a 3-iron all the way back there. Let's just take a easy hybrid. Let's try to roll it up maybe. I'm not trying to play a stupid shot, but I think there is more percentage on this with the easy swing reaching the front edge of the green than what I have with my 3-iron. Not trying to hit too hard. All I want to do is finish strong. That's a beauty. That's exactly what I wanted to do. That's it. It did bounce towards the green, but I'm not sure if it's what was that? So my second shot did hop towards the green, but I'm not sure if it is on or has it gone over. It was a solid shot. Didn't expect it to get pulled a little, but that's fine. Do we see the ball on the green? I can't make out if that's a ball or it's a no. It's a leaf on the green. We might be over the green with my second shot, so might be chipping back towards the flag. Oh, we are on the green, so it's a long putt for birdie, or sorry, eagle. Lovely thing to say, right? On the first hole, you're talking about eagles. That's always a good sign. Hopefully, we can salvage a birdie, not 3-putt here. Third shot, second shot landed on green, rolled all the way to the back edge. We are 66 feet to the hole. Too slow. No idea how the greens work. Played courses far comfier than this. This is nothing for you. this. Bad fucking birdie. What a start. What a start. Made a 4-putt for a bogey. 2 on and 4 putts. Not happy. 399. Hole number 2. There are a few bunkers on the right. There is what do you call it? There's rough on the left. Need to keep this straight on, heading center fairway, keeping a low tee so that I don't just fly it off into space. It's a bit left than what I wanted it to be, so not really sure where it's ended up, but it'll be in the rough somewhere. After that disaster on number 1 with the putting, I'm not feeling too confident with my putter today. The first ones really impact your mental psyche. If you're able to putt strong, putt off the first green, walk off with maybe a single long putt or an easy 2 putt, that gives you a lot of confidence. But if you're not able to do that, it can really hamper your mental psyche for the rest of the round. So just trying to focus and trying not to do too much damage with the starting of the few holes where the body is just warming up. But you can never say. Found my ball on the left side of the track, the cart path. I do have a visual to the flag, and it's in range. It's 136. What I'm thinking of is playing a pitching wedge, maybe slightly keeping it short of the flag so that we have an uphill putt, because I remember this was an uphill green. Right now all I want to do is avoid hitting these branches over here. Only these can catch me. The other one I'll be just too far up for them to interfere. And nice and easy smooth swing should get it done at least. Alright, nice and easy. Pitching wedge in hand, 136 yards. It's a bit short, a bit chunky, but it's out there. It's not in any sort of trouble, so should be fine. I really like the courses where they give us these bottles. It's very important. It helps the course and it helps us. Third shot, hole number 2 from the bunker. Not too bad. And it's raining again. Passing shower, so I'm not too worried. I can see open skies behind these clouds. Right over there are some open skies. This is the one which is pouring. With these cold temperatures, scoring on the green, I'm not too hopeful, but we'll try our best to achieve our goal for the day. Putting for par, hole number 2. There we go. It was as simple, not too complicated. I'm really not happy with the rain, but I'm really happy that I'm got another chance to come out, and I really thank God that they're giving us this opportunity in this time of the year. We are on the third hole. What does the marker say? There's no marker here. It says 166 for the blacks. Black tees. Where you think of the golden? I don't know. I don't see any black tea. I don't see any tea behind the golden, so I'm playing golden. It's 168 yards, tailwind. Off lately, I've noticed some of my irons don't fly, or I expect them to fly a certain distance and they fall a little short. I'm not sure why that is happening. I haven't been able to work that out yet. Let's try 168. I have a 8 iron in hand. There is tailwind, so technically I should be able to reach the green. Okay, 8 iron, 168 yards. Pushed it right over the bunker. Oh, this would have been a lot longer, man. I don't know. I think I've hit the branches with the tree on the right side, so this could be a potential loss of ball. I didn't see it bounce. It's very important when you're playing alone. You need to see where it's bouncing. Otherwise, you're never going to find the golf ball. Well, so far with the rain, cold weather, no warm up, 2 holes down, 1 over par. Certainly what I've been playing these days. Nothing. So this is where my ball is, behind this tree. The flag's on the other side. Don't have any hopes taking the aerial route, so what I'll have to do is probably punch something out, let it roll towards the flag, and then hope to make a single putt. The idea is, ideal situation would be just punch it out, let this grass stop it, and then slow roll towards the flag. That's the ideal situation. Let's see how we fare against that planning. I think that's the smarter shot. It had chance, but I think I was just too scared to hit it too hard. So I'm left with this awkward distance chip. Need a little bit of luck on my side. That was a pretty solid chip, just too hard. It's freshly cored, so it's a lot more bumpy around this area. It could deflect the ball somewhere. I don't want to risk hitting too hard. I feel it'll run the other way if I miss the cup. If I hit it too light, it will not go in. If I hit it too hard, it will not go in. Just has to be perfect. And of course the line. There is slight turn. So I'm aiming right at the right edge from my direction and giving it enough to roll it in. Too light. That's not the correct line at all. Dang it. Third hole missed. If I've planned the video, I would be ending it here for the first part, and we'll see what I do in the next few holes. Good to have the sun out. Feels warmer when the sun is here. Okay, see you on the next one.